We've just acquired this Range Rover Diesel Sport. It's absolutely superb condition, as you can see, finished in silver, absolutely immaculate wheels. It's full top spec HSE. Privacy glass to the rear. Twin opening tailgates, you can either open it that way, all of it that way. As you can see, it's got the load cover. Interior in the back's absolutely in lovely condition. It's certainly not a used and abused Ranger Sport. It's been really well looked after. The glove box, electric sunroof, full leather interior, even got the Land Rover mats, electric memory seats, Harman Kardon, electric seats, automatic headlights. It's only done 68,227 miles. It's a low mileage example. Aircon is blowing absolutely cold. Got the satellite navigation, DAB radio. It's got the reverse camera on it. As I say, electric tilt side sunroof. It's got the hybrid TV if you want it. DAB radio. Satellite navigation. 3-stage heated seats. It's got the fridge. Different terrain driving, different styles driving. Just absolutely fully loaded, lovely car. Harman Kardon. At DJH, a full dealer facilities include finance, warranty and part exchange. To acquire any further information, please call us on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.